Well, I done did it again. I went and did the deed. Or did the deed come to me? Well, regardless, here we are. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel where it is my opinion, or no opinion at all. Scottalicious McFabulous here, and I hope that you are feeling Percy.
Give me my times. Give me my times.
And today, of course, another good deal stumbled into my path. I might have went looking, but I never knew the goodness I would find. And yes, this is another Telfar bag unboxing. This time it is a lot bigger than this little cutie, the Telly Jelly Small, and I am excited to showcase it. So let us just dive right in.
Get away from her, you bitch!
Alrighty, y'all know exactly what time it is. It's time for yet another Telfar bag unboxing from Holt Renfrew. Yes, I acquired yet another bag, but a little different. A little different. Kind of. I say that, but... Now, again with this beautiful dragon fruit pink packaging, I love it. I love the packaging. I don't know why. It just looks so good. It just looks so fresh and hot. So, here is the bag. I got the receipt over here. Tuck this away. She is kind of leaning a little back right now, so I'm going to try to hold her up and, you know, give you a bit of a tease before we actually get into the goods, because, as you can tell, this is not a small shopper bag. This is a medium, and I'm very surprised with the size differences between the small and medium. I do believe it's just this specific bag, though, but anyways, it is a pretty hefty bag, though. Not gonna lie, but yes, I got another jelly telly. Which one this time? Let's find out. Yes, we got the black medium jelly shopper tote bag in this. Girl, this is just such a cute, fun style of bag. I honestly... It's a little dirty. When I seen this sitting on the rack, like, you guys already know, I do have the small version to this, and I love it. I love the small. But the small is considerably smaller. Like, it's really small. And this was just an absolute steal in the price. Like, I had to grab it, and it was the last one. It was the last one in stock, so if I didn't grab it then, I was probably going to miss out on it. And like I said, it is the medium shopper. It is huge. These are still full price on the Telfar website. And y'all are just not gonna believe the price I got it for. It's just, I don't know, to me it's surprising. I don't know what Telfar does for sales and everything, but for me, this was just the bee's knees. I'm gonna kind of tease the price though. I don't want to reveal the price just yet, so before we hop into the logistics of pricing and everything, let us fill this bad girl up, because this bad girl fits an absolute metric crap ton. I don't even want to know how big the large bag is compared to the medium, because this thing is just massive, and it just wants to fall. So here is my Telfar medium telly jelly, fully packed and ready to go. She has got some serious heft to her, but I find her to be a really comfortable fit on the shoulder, so it's not too much of an issue for me personally. But let us just start pulling out all of my junk. First up, Got some Ray-Ban sunglasses. We got some Wet One wipes for, you know, just wiping your hands down after thrifting and everything. We do got my Rexy phone case with my cell phone. We also got some Tamagotchis. We got my cutesy little Tamagotchis here. We got 3 going right now. Gonna have a 4th running soon, so that should be interesting. Might lose my mind, who knows. Next up, my Coach key case. That is, again, just... the key rings are holding up alright. It's just... the vinyl edging is just kind of starting to already peel, and it's kind of annoying me. Next up goes to my Coach coin purse, absolutely filled with coins, mostly crack change. And then the last 3 goodies go to my Coach skull coin purse and my Comme des Garçons wallet duo. This one holding all of my extra junk, this one holding my wallet and bills and etc. Very, very roomy. You could fit so much more in here. I most certainly did the first day I wore it out. So here is my Telly Jelly medium shopper tote. I am actually obsessed. I'm not gonna lie. I really dig the versatility and comfortability of these bags. I know a lot of people don't like the non-removable straps. I actually really like it. And then when you have the long straps just hanging down when you have it top handle, I actually think it kind of gives it a specific hobo-esque bag chic. Like, there's just like a slouchiness to it. You know what I mean? Like how a hobo bag technically has that slouch. This kind of does that same thing, but for like the handles. I don't even know if that's even making any sense. In my head, it is. And for me, I love it. But what I loved most about getting this was the damn price. The price paid. The price paid was incredible. I seriously, as soon as I seen it, I was like, she's coming. She's coming home. Especially if she's the last one in stock, she's coming home with me. And I only had to pay $100. $100 plus tax Canadian. That is it. That is all. This bag is, I believe, $200 American. Give or take $250, $300 Canadian before tax. So I got a really, really good deal. Total price paid being $113 flat. $113 flat because tax is 13%. So $100 would mean $13. So $113 Canadian. Tax included. Like, that's great. That's crazy to me.
Oh, she's taking it.
And I have 2 black jelly bags now. And what's insane to me is when those black Coach jelly tabby bags dropped with the black, I was like, oh, I want that. $400 though. I'll wait for a sale. I got 2 of these. I got 2 of the same bag, but better in my opinion, because these are just a lot more easier to use than the jelly tabbies are. And I basically, together, I believe both of these bags together would be $180 Canadian, tax included. Like, that to me is just like, what? Like, I got really good deals. Could not be happier. But anyways, before we hop into my outfit of the day and kitty-licious moment of the day, if you guys love handbags, hauls, luxury, Telfar, the whole lot of those, please hit the subscribe button if you are new. And if you guys enjoyed today's content, make sure you hit that like button, as it does help me know you enjoyed today's video. And it helps with that pesky YouTube. Ow. Go. Rhythm. You could also check out the description box below for the 3 lucky links to my Instagram, Facebook, and Discord notification squad. As well, if you'd like to support me and the channel directly, you can also send me a very special super thanks donation. I love you all to the absolute moon and back. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!
99 don't believe in you and just one does. I probably said this earlier, but you know, 100 people can be in a room and 99 don't believe in you.
99 don't believe, but all it takes is one.
There can be 100 people in the room and 99 don't believe in you, and 99 don't believe in.
I think it was good.
I'm done. No, show's over. Show's over.
See you next Taco Tuesday, bitch.